This is ITV. Certainly the best.
It does not be God with the Nigeria side will for day to day. Well, but God has been with us, and God will continue to keep Nigeria together in one. And I'll be waiting with the pray for all the time. So, Honorable Samson Abu will be with us for us. And my brother Ogi Omori, he did with us for us too. My brother Samson Abu.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Good morning. My brother, I greet you.
Pardon.
Yeah.
Samson Abu.
Yeah.
No need to no. Next week now, Abi, by November.
Yeah.
And I don't be 1 year in office. Going about something.
Yeah.
So, you feel just tell us some kind of things. Let me say, if you say Nado and Chief.
I cannot say 1 year, but as of today, Governor Godwin Obaseki has tried. I'm broken at the.
Okay, you also not broken.
Godwin Obaseki, he don't do many things. When go make us celebrate the 1 year in office. You know, say the system method when Godwin Obaseki the teru, many people don't understand waiting they do. Like when he enter position, people say too they waste time. Oh, he never appoint commissioner, he never appoint this, he never appoint this. But the man just take time, make it look how the government be. You don't want just rush into it like that. You want to study the government and put a round peg in a round hole and a square peg in a square hole. That was what he was doing. People were saying it's delay, it's delay, it's delay. However, as of today, the people went to say it delay. They don't the praise him now for what he do. First of all, he appointed SA, that is Special Assistant to the Governor. The method when he take appointment, it never happened for Edo State before. That is, the ward people, if they appoint from the ward people will nominate somebody to governor for appointment. Not be say governor just dive into the ward and pick on anybody. No, they will nominate person where governor will give that position. So all the ward people then go come together. In that way, Obaseki appointed 192 special assistant. That is SA, 192. Then he went further. He still can appoint people what they call SSA. That is Senior Special Assistant. Then we have 18 local government area in Edo State. He still go back to each local government. Make the local government bring three person when they go give that position to that Senior Special Assistant. So 3 per local government times 18 local government, you now have 54 SSA. So the people in the world, they were directly involved. You cannot say that governor can't impose this one on us. That governor can't impose this one on us. Then the governor went further to also appoint SA. This time is special advisor. We have 3 senatorial districts. He has to appoint 6 special advisors for the state. Then before you come to the almighty commissioners.
That commissioner, come like say it take time. What did really happen?
That time, if you don't forget, Apollo, I say it's not a matter of you rush to an issue, then you rush out. You want to study the kind of person, the type of people you put in different positions. Meanwhile, this commissioner too, not being just go into the ward or local government, go bring name. He tell each local government, the person who wanna know say when you go feel work with them, when you go feel represent una, make una bring and come. So that if the person don't do well, una no go blame Governor Obaseki. So they nominated one person.
But for the commissioner, he consult the ward. For commissioner.
No, commissioner this time is above the ward. You know, ward make up local government. Abinobi so. This time, the leadership of the local government will put their heads together to look for somebody that can equally represent them. You understand what I'm saying?
Pidgin,
and the person wey go fit do wetin dem wan make e do make e no go fall their hand for where governor dey so dem come bring out one person so that person na is still from the word local government that person na dem come submit the name go give governor Obaseki you understand so one per local government na e come be 18 commissioners when governor appoint so that one na when governor don appoint dem na people come dey clap e good e good e good e good that is a governor wan carry everybody along.
But for win wey for na political party some people dey say the people wey appoint they no know them you just go bring some people say na technocrat. say you just go bring some people say na technocrat say they no know them.
Akpololo na your mouth me dey hear this one now. Yes na your mouth I never hear am say people wey dem bring they no know them.
Say they be technocrat.
And I never hear that one.
Now you know say when they talk for your back you no go hear now.
I never wetin me know na me dey tell the public so which local government go talk say they no dey aware they no know the commissioner when governor Obaseki appoint I think e no dey for example where I'm a leader in Oredo one of the leaders in Oredo the time when they wan appoint they call all of us to a meeting they come bring different names we come do mini election put we come submit one name for SSA the same thing happen then for SA which is my ward now to bring one person as special assistant good we call the meeting of the extended ESCO meeting where leaders were present so 3 people apply for SSA we come look the proper say this one go fit this one you wait either you go for councillor or you go for other position that was how we did it so Obaseki was not connected at all.
Oh yeah.
So na only name we go give am. Okay. Then if you look at the recent elevation of civil servant to PS permanent secretary which about 15 you see people were talking here and there because Obaseki governor Obaseki has his own method and system you understand when Mourinho dey coach Chelsea Mourinho has his own method when Mourinho comot Kante come take over Kante come use him own system so it's only a dull person to say that the system wey that person use na me wan use.
No.
That's it. So Obaseki come say before you get that position of permanent secretary you must face assessment either oral assessment or written assessment. Many civil servants they stay back.
They no write.
They say they are not going to write. The Obaseki say it's not by force. Whether you write, you no write to. Now you go there. But there, people when he write, people went there to sit for that assessment exams. After that, they also conducted oral exam for the people. Then they selected 15. Today, by the special grace of God, they are permanent secretaries. It's not only in civil service you do this. For example, like police, I know of a friend, they said they want to move him to from inspector to 1-star, Supo. So he went for assessment. Soldiers, they went for assessment. Army, they went for assessment. You understand?
Oh yeah.
So that is the
give us breakdown. Nobody they just they give us breakdown of wetin una don do so far. You dey give report card now for those.
Yeah, so far so well. You can equally bear with me. People go fit talk am say today road don dey clear when this ESMA Edo State Traffic Management Agency when they don dey the one that they call Obaseki Police now when they don dey road before I drive from my Kelma road to this side today you can see the marvelous traffic control those people dey do for road. I think everybody know that. So that one Obaseki make am open not only to APC members o anybody can apply. So many people actually they applied and they were taken. As of today, thank God, 350 S-man people were employed.
350.
350. and they are working. You can see them. The blind can even see it. They are working today. Then you only have this public works, which is about 140. Public works mean those people clearing Ekiosa Market, New Benin Market, Ring Road, and the rest of them. They are under the payroll of Godwin Obaseki. They are working. Then if you look at recently artisans like weather technician and the rest of them, governor empowered them. Governor empowered them by way of providing equipment, machine, and the rest of them for the people. And recently, 450 people benefited from that program. Because Obaseki is not the type that normally make noise, but he keep on going.
All right, end this. My brother, okay, your governor.
Yes, now
you to make you assess him from the outside because you know the so-called inside. Make you assess the governor from outside.
you see
how
my,
you look at.
You see my brother, like my papa talk. It's too early to assess governor. And I can't surprise say like my papa, when they tell Edo people say they appoint person special advisor, they appoint commissioner, they appoint SSA, they appoint.
SA.
Maybe want to say my papa want to tell me say Head Smart, you know our governor, so he promised us say 200,000 job. Maybe want to say my papa offer to say Head Smart, we don't take 20,000 people. Artisan, we don't give 50,000 people. But all of this, to come begin talk of a man we never even spend 1 year for office, begin clap and follow, you want to discourage the man, you want to make him lose focus. Because if you look as my papa, the analyzer, they appoint SSA from the ward. My papa, they indirectly tell us, say, a ward, now one person dey. It's good, the number of people we appoint, they're not bad. But it's too early to give pass mark. It's too early because it still get 3 years to go. So for now, you know if he conclude, say, it not the work. Because the man just they pull leg for ground. Then another thing where my papa go look, you see, the Etzma, I thank God saying a correction of their former mistake. And I happy say even my papa will sit down here, don't agree, say even the blind they see say that they work. That's to say my papa agree say before the former people will do Etzma, they don't work. So I thank God say he himself don't they come agree to what we talk that time, say the way when they do this thing, it's not good though. And you know, Obaseki, they only come work on the things where some of us talk that time and say the former government they do way not correct. The way they take pack people to do special advisor and co. Now a correction of the things where we tell them that time.
So you do aware this time?
Nine in they do. So for now, we're not going to really just come out and talk say it not they work. Election never near. When time for election reach, we go come they show them 1 or 2 things what they supposed do, what they not do. But
no,
before election,
no, not
my
election,
brother,
you know, make a fair cut you there. When campaign they go on, we will see APC, PDP, ABGA, all those ones. We will see, not even manifesto, we will see those ones. But after election, we either see Nigeria or we will see Edo State. You understand?
Yes.
Now, we not they see all those ones now. What if they see now be Edo State?
Edo State.
So far, you they stay for this state, you they drive, you get from everybody where you do, they say, waiting be your own assessment of this governor.
You
now,
see,
for this few period when you don't stay, like your brothers and sisters where they use when you know the roads where they pass, the things where they use, even the roads where they do, if they watch you now, the standard everything tell her because now you talk just and say 1 year 2 days short to assess am but at least wetin we dey try to do be say
at all
no be even at all when you person dey do something if you dey do am well you know say you dey do am well continue like this o okay you go this year this way you no do am like this o you suppose do am like this come join but this when you do am reach here this place e good this place no good so you dey stay Edo State wetin be your own assessment.
You see I dey stay Edo. And you don't fit ask me this question some time ago for this TV say I tell assess the former governor. I say I not go fit tell you say he fail. I not go fit tell you say he pass because you see government when our leaders like my papa now suppose they make our young people they know say they not they finish the work with the government. You not fit just wake up say because you be governor today say the everything solution don't come. Now gradual process. The thing where they pay us as Edo people be say over the years all of them or everybody wey don rule none of them don fit address one particular issue say we don put total solution to this one. Everybody just dey jump but I not talk say Obaseki dey jump. Obaseki yes well and good we dey watch for now. Yes, the steps wey dey take they are okay.
Like which step?
Like for example as he talk say he take appoint people so they are okay. They are okay. It's not the usurp state money say they pay people for free. We dey see that one. Then we dey see say they say after rain they go start work for roads but they don dey do some. We dey see am but you know fit you come conclude now if they don repair my papa road and they never repair my own make I come talk say they don do everything. I no go fit talk like that now. The man dey do as expected as a governor for now but you know fit take am and read wetin go happen in 2 years from now. You know if you use wetin the man dey do today and you also know say court case just finish so you know if you really conclude on wetin e go do in years to come or whether this appointment they go improve on am or whether they go to the old way or whether they go continue as the first be before. So for now the step wey the man dey take generally you know say as Nigerians we no sabi patient because our people want make the thing happen na. So where me come surprise for my papa when he dey tell us now when he dey call special adviser. You see for a word like where me from come for Oredo too, we get more than 3,000 to 4,000 voters. We not count everybody now. So the world is looking at close to 5,000-6,000 people. So if one person get work there, we not fit to say he get work. Or if inside the SMART 350 people, we say now 2 people they take from my word. We not fit to say work don't come now. So we dey look at a situation where I say if there are 5,000 people, most say 800 don't get work. We'll say, hey, you know, for now, well and good. The man is in the right step, but we not feel really can just talk now, say all is well. No, we not feel conclude on that now.
Okay,
I thank my brother for waiting talk. But what he can surprise me for waiting my brother they talk. He go carry the thing up, he go carry am down. Me no know where stay. He started by saying it's too early to assess Godwin Obaseki. He's now still telling us now that out of over 3,000 to 4,000 people they have in their wards, only one has gotten appointment. We don't know the one where he can do for inside. It's now little to the left and little to the right. However, you see, Godwin Obaseki is not a magician. If you say it's too early, I want to clear that now to start praising him. If you are in primary 1, you want to end up in primary 5. In primary 1, before you move to primary 2, what will happen?
You have to finish primary 1 first.
You finish. And they will assess you. Abi, what did they teach you from the first day to the last day? You write examination, whether you pass or you fail. So this is primary 1 now. This is primary 1 now of Godwin Obaseki. Before he moves over to primary 4, what has he done in primary 1? So that is why in teaching you have scheme of 4, we have syllabus. What has he done? What he has done in primary 1 now we people want look. This person now, he want go to primary 2. Because on the 13th of November, it's now going, we now count his second year. What he don't do for primary 1? He pass or he fail. Now he make us they talk all these things now. People they see him. Me, I'm not a career civil servant. I'm a politician. During the time of our former governor, Comrade Adams Aliyu Shobole, I do know I was in government that latest 28 I will get a lot for my salary. Latest 28. And the same thing is now happening to the government of Godwin Obaseki. 26, 27, 28, your phone don't ring gangam Obaseki alert. civil servant, they should be happy with it. Is that not? Can't you commend him for that? You know, Tosse governor do well. Okay, he still come tell me say, governor promised 200,000 jobs. Agreed, you are right. He promised 200,000 jobs. Then, so far so well, I am telling you, it's not a magician. From what he had done within this period, on that, what he don't do within this period, you go first thank am first for that one. He never tell you say he don't tire, he don't stop. 200,000 jobs is all over the place. That is the song of everybody now. You go through to work towards it. Even if you see, if you dey teach for class, you have 40 people in a class, then you don't teach finish. You can't evaluate. Evaluation means you can't ask question for the 40 people. Then, if na 10 people, now I pass that question out of 40, the teacher, you do what is called reteach, you don't fail. If out of 40, you are expected to get the cutoff mark, you score 25, you never pass. You score 30, you never pass. Is it compulsory you must have 40 over 40, which is very difficult in most cases. So my brother, as I see Godwin Obaseki, if you no see wetin they do, road reconstruction and maintenance.
Talk about this road now.
Road reconstruction and maintenance.
You carry list for you carry list for abeg. I'll give you a permission. Just read some of these roads.
You see, if you want it, if you
no, you know why I me you read them because some people when they watch this program now, they're not in Nigeria.
Okay.
They watch this program from US, from Atlanta, from Russia, from different countries. People they watch this program for Abuja, for Lagos, Edo people. So those ones not there yet.
Yeah.
And so when they talk to them, so I give you permission. Just read that. Make Edo people know you come from your mouth.
Yes, because the thing pay me say this program not be phony program.
Okay, you want me people call? You want me to call?
If you want call, they can call.
No, fine. We already open like
now the road.
Okay. Wait. People for us, we dey do the assessment of Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. Over 1 year now. Now he don't dey. The area I don't fit on and say the area when he walk, talk am. The one you not to walk, talk am. The one when the suggestion when you to get for am too, make you still talk am. Make all of us dey look am together. Now Edo State, now we dey look up. Even you went there for a diaspora, our line don dey open. Abeg call us 052 290 573 rather. Call us na me you also let us know. As we discuss and make we discuss Edo State together as everybody dey go. So make you read.
So before I read them, Godwin Obaseki, he no say make dem no criticize am, but he wants constructive criticism. Like wetin people go dey do now about these pensioners. I will still read something to you. Pensioners, people just organize them to protest against the state government, which is very wrong. I will come to that. Now, from the available records, you can see that road rehabilitation, we have Lucky Way, you know, in Ikpobahi. Go and see it. It has been awarded. And they are working on it. The Iriri, Oko Iriri Road in Yokogba. You have PZ Road, Saple Road. You have St. Saviour, Upper Sakuba. You have 19th Street, it's also under reconstruction. You have Wire Road. That Wire Road leading to Ebieme areas. You have Ebieme 2. You have TV Ehaipe Road here in Benin City. You have Texami Road. Then you have Temboga Road, Bobahi. You have Ewa Road too, also Boba Slope. Then you have Obakavaye and Environ within that area. Then you have Ugbo, Amagba, and all the areas there.
No, that one Amagba Road. What is it they do?
Awarded.
Okay, awarded.
Yes.
Okay, bless the person dey line, abi. Okay, make we take this call.
Yeah.
Ugbo Road awarded.
Yeah.
Make we first take this call. First we will come back. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Caleb Okwelo.
Where you dey call from?
I come from Limit Road for Sapele Road for GROA.
Okay, go. So what will be your assessment of Godwin Obaseki for the last 1 year?
Wetin dey look is that Obaseki wetin he lately wan do for we maybe youth never do am for us. Imagine we no get work. The them when say give work, we don't even know them. Maybe that's for Lagos for whom they come because most of them will not know them. The people when they say they will give work for the world, we don't even know themselves. You understand? Not be the one made the talk say they do so. Now everybody get bottle. People they will not get bottle. You understand? If they need work, maybe if I want to it's not the same one with the same money for to solve crime. One carry police, carry soldier, carry this one come.
Okay.
They don't get work.
Okay. My brother. Hello. Hello.
I didn't hear you.
So for the last 1 year now, Obaseki never do anything what you see.
I didn't hear you.
You not because you don't complain, you won't complain. So for the last 1 year for Edo, Obaseki not do anything.
Obaseki, wetin we vote am for, never do am.
Okay, that is you never do anything when you say you see since you did this Benin.
No be road we dey, everybody get motor.
All right, I agree to you. All right, thank you. You good like that. Remember for us 0522905573. Call us, let us know the assessment of the governor. Like I talk, use your language with advocate of word. Our governor is our governor, our commissioner is our commissioner, and our guest na our guest. Anything wey they talk na the opinion, not the opinion of ITV. You get right to criticize, but like Sanusi Abu talk just now, he say Governor Obaseki like constructive criticism.
Yes.
We not say me you come the insult am, talk am, but what if they try to talk? How I do and Nigeria go to move forward? So if you see the good thing, talk am. If you see the bad thing, talk am. You not get any government when don't say too good. You not get any government when do say bad. So not talk on one side, then leave the other side as if say you know be like not be so the country and the state go to move forward. Finish.
If you, for example, there is fertilizer company now, industry in Edo. Before this time, you used to buy a bag of fertilizer for 15,000.
Yes.
Now that they are now working and do not now, you can buy a farmer can buy a bag of fertilizer for 5,000. That is 10,000 naira removed.
We will take another call.
Okay.
You know, say now you and the people today.
Yeah, we are ready.
Now you be humble today. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, will you be on where they call from?
My name is David. I come from Upper Sakomba.
Okay, assess your governor for the last 1 year.
Oh, thank you very much, my brother. First and foremost, I want to tell you, say you didn't really do well this program.
Okay.
Honestly, I really appreciate. Our governor, Gordon Obaseki, honestly, within this man they do, only God will bless them.
Amen.
In fact, as far as I'm concerned, Gordon Obaseki, they continue from where Governor Adams Oshomole stop. Government is continuous. US, they don't use US for 1 day. Waiting there, they say, if one governor come, try home bed, the other one will continue. They will build a great state. So, right on Gordon Obaseki, we love you. Thank you very much.
You get any area where you see the governor don't work?
Sir?
You don't get anything where you see the governor don't do? Get anything where you fit point out?
Yes, in the area of road construction, the man is right. At least if you go state now, everywhere is almost like a construction site all over. Everywhere you go now, work is just going on everywhere. And so many things like that will go on for the state. Payment of salaries, our roads are good, you know. In fact, we just commend this man. This man is right, honestly. I'm telling you. But what they say, I want to use this medium to encourage our governor. What they say, some people don't ever see the good they do. But we see what they do. So right on the Obaseki, we love you.
All right, the program now your program. Go ahead.
No,
now your program. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What do you your name and where they come from? Reduce the volume of your television.
Good morning, sir.
Go ahead.
My name is Fiona. They come from Unibet.
Okay.
My contribution is say so far, Governor Obaseki they do his best. He not be the type of governor who be say if you do one thing, he go ahead, he publicize and they shout everywhere. They do it all calmly. So those who get eyes to see, make them see. Not be the kind of government who will get before we say if you tie 5 meters of road, you will begin to shout everywhere saying don't do something.
So which area you feel say this government for the try? Hello?
So far now don't try.
Hello, my brother.
In Nigeria, it's just that we expect somebody could just talk saying go do this thing, then we expect them to do it within 3 days. Now small, now gradual process.
Okay.
If the government who did that before, then they do am small like this. I'm not sure say the problems go dey so compounded. So if we see person wey dey work, maybe we see dey give am kudos, maybe we dey tell am say e try. So that the others wey go come, they themselves go dey do. Not be to dey make noise all around say person do something. That's not my contribution. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Another person dey line. We will take this call. I will get small question because these are the people's program.
That's this.
So hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. What be your name? Where they call from?
They come from Esan West.
Esan West. Thank you very much. How Esan West? How the road be?
Esan West.
Where for Esan West?
Ekpoma.
Ekpoma. So first of all, tell us how Ekpoma be now for road matter.
My brother, Ekpoma na Nuku area.
Tina.
I surprised where of that Samson Abu the list number of fruits when Obaseki don't do.
Okay.
Ekpoma, he not touch anywhere for Ekpoma. We know they work out for Ekpoma.
Okay.
And where of that Samson they talk about the commissioner and SSD just now.
Yeah.
He missed one word. He said leaders join together. Do you know that? You know, say the commissioner where they appoint for Esan West, you not even vote for Obaseki. You not get voters card. Now June 28th this year, now he register to get voters card. As me I used to talk now, voters card never come out. If Lala make it come television, come show us in voters. Okay. Now TVC now he could show how government they do that kind of thing. People will line up for street, go use their hands, appoint her as governor. Then you want reward, then you go bring person come from nowhere. You say na commissioner when you not get voters card. See everywhere the commissioner of infrastructure na from Esan West. The road where in the past go house, they not even do them. They not even pack the sand come up for the road. All the drainage block, nothing for Esan West. So I don't see anything where I want to access Obaseki.
Guys, for the last 1 month now, 1 year now, you never do
anything.
You never do it for an side.
They never do one single thing for Esan West.
Thank you very much. So yeah, I'm going to take the next person. I bet take and put the next person. Hello. Hello? 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 I know they hear you. Huh? That's it. That network not clear. Blessed person. So
yes.
Before you go talk, make something just talk now.
If you also look at agriculture, program in Edo North. You have a agric farm in Sobe of over 2,000 hectares. 2,000 hectares. Then if you come to Edo Central, I'm talking senatorial by senatorial. If you come to Edo Central, that is Isham, where this my friend is talking from that, nothing is happening. We also have 2,000 hectares. The farm is located at Oria. So the people from Edo North and Edo Central can equally call in now. Oria 2,000 hectares of farm, then Sobe 2,000 hectares of farm in Edo North. So remaining Edosa, and very soon the one of Edosa will still come. May they come see how the thing will be, so that it will be one for Edo South, one for Edo North, one for Edo Center. Then at the beginning, but before 3 years, you go see and say people don't turn to agriculture, so that if the other way we face agriculture.
All right.
You see, my brother, I'm very happy with my papa talk. First of all, make a quick tell my papa say, he get some things where he talk, I surprised. I not stand for fence. I did one side, and the side where I did be say, you no go fit rule out the fact say the man not dey work because he dey office. And the reason he was brought to that office now for all this work. So when you say person pay salary, it's expected that any good governor, any right-thinking person in office go pay who they work for salary. Then the idea of say if you finish primary 1, you'll go primary 2. I surprised. Why? Because this government, wait, this on a continuation of the former government. I not expect they'll start from primary 1. I was expecting this government say they don't they ready to start masters and PhD. So when my papa come begin talk now, say that they primary 1.
Na example
I know now. That example.
You say una one for politician.
No.
Wait.
I dey come, my brother. Agbololo, you go let me laugh now. I know the politics. I know the politicians. And now my papa.
You know,
understand?
no, but
I
you don't
want-
talk about Obaseki primary one.
I not talk say he
You only
say
say- he give examples. If person
if
go
the
look
example
up-
wey he give be say the stage wey
when
dem
like
dey
first,
now
it's like first year.
the stage wey dem dey now be
na
say
primary one.
na primary
Ah,
one so I come surprise say
No.
this government una don dey
You
8
dey
years
now.
na you talk
dey 8
una don
years.
dey 8 years and this na the 9th year una say una dey
No,
primary
no,
one
no, no.
na like this una tell edo people
No.
una don tell us una start from primary one
No. I disagree with you.
but papa na
Ide,
wetin you
I'm
talk
coming.
na
You be Bini.
obi adeoyin sir
Me be
don was
Bini.
am
Akpololo, I want talk one parable for Bini. Mometo venu moro we me. Uhun we uhun owo e opa.
ẹ ọpa
You see? You understand now?
Yes, sir.
Plait my hair as you plait my
Sister.
my no sister, my
My
mate
mate
head.
too.
Then the person wey wan do am come tell am say your head bend, your mate head no bend.
Bend.
Are they the same?
No.
So you cannot be telling me that we are spending 8 years this Obaseki is not doing the first thing. I'm able to say people dey look me then they watch us. You want what you are not saying that Obaseki should just copy everything about Oshomole.
I disagree. I don't think
No,
so.
you are not saying it's a continuous this everything.
Yes, it's a continuous government.
Wetin I first talk for this program I say you cannot say Obaseki should carry the system of Oshomole make e just dey run and dey go. I say he has his own style of ruling. Is that not what I said?
But you
know if you talk say Oshomole do this one Obaseki must still do that.
But you
same
tell
thing.
me just now for yes say Oshomole pay on the 28th and Obaseki pay on the 28th.
No, listen na.
Why you like that one now?
No. Please. I said.
Okay, wait.
Now. I said during
If
the
you
time.
like something, see. Okay, before you go, if you like something, wetin another person do.
Akpololo.
Is there anything wrong in that one?
You know why I dey laugh? I surprise say na my papa. You know why I say na my papa?
No.
Now, if him now dey pay my school fees, I finish first degree, I come start masters, I finish masters. Him come dey tell me say my pikin, you know say you also reach 30 years, if you know say you go do PhD, go start. But meanwhile, my younger brother for us say, Papa, me never do masters. So they say make my brother go do PhD. Then he come say make I go PhD. Then when he buy PhD from the pay school fees, I say, Papa, I get one time this degree. You dey my mind from small pikin. I wan go back go start degree. That my younger brother and how the quarrel go be. Wetin I dey try talk be say the primary one wey my papa talk wey I not too dey clear with. I dey call Papa Ede wey I not too dey clear with. Government na continuous process. The only place for Nigeria and na Nigeria for the same where government not for the continue and when a different party win election. Because when they go come, they go tell say we for don change everywhere na but because that man wey dey here before he scatter everything. So this one nothing scatter. Except say my papa wan tell me say they no meet anything on ground. If they meet something on ground, they were supposed to build on wetin they meet on ground. But for my papa to come dey tell me now say Oshomole was doing road. You know, road not be new thing to Edo people. In fact, for anybody wey dey government, na because say the stage wey we dey now for the country is still backward. Now, you can how person go dey take road dey campaign, take water campaign, take build hospital campaign. The economy, wetin dey cause insecurity? Na our economy now. I'm very happy. We know why. One of the reasons, not because I'm not a fan of Obaseki. You understand? I'm not his fan, but I don't have anything against him. But the truth of the matter be say, when they give me the mass CV, people like this, my papa tell me say, if this our brother come, see. You know, that go take this one everywhere, heaven go fall for here, man, I go there this side. I come back. My papa now come tell me say, the day primary one, also do primary two.
May I tell you?
Now they surprise me.
Apololo.
You know why? You know why I dey
Excuse
laugh?
me.
You see, na me and you dey lis ten to am sing and dey do people. One person give example. You na we be politician too. Although na so na dey do na things. If person talk, una go look for one kind thing. Na just person dey talk. Like teacher dey give example for class. If person give example like you know if he come say because the teacher give this example now na he dey talk say Obaseki dey start from primary one.
Akpololo, make I tell you.
Na start did he say Obaseki start from primary one?
Akpololo.
Did I say so?
If we come studio, not be you dey arrange our mic and
I come
everything.
now. You don't
Not be you dey I dey call Baba
You don't dey
Ide.
talk since. You don't dey talk. It's time. You don't dey talk. You don't dey talk.
Abeg just your last one because they don give me
Because
sign over time.
if you are not careful, you may not know what I'm saying.
I know.
I use example to illustrate my point. Let me tell you, I use example to illustrate my point. For instance, now, you were in some people were writing exam. The one where no book, they for fraud 001. the one wey no know book e dey im back 002 when that 001 see say he no see anything right you know wetin he do everything wey 001 come raise the paper like this he dey copy from 001 he come copy sotey he still copy 001 name 001 number he copy everything what I'm telling you is that I'm not telling you Obaseki is starting from primary 1 so they should allow him to settle down no first year of Obaseki but what I'm saying is that Obaseki has his own method if you should watch that very well Obaseki has his own method you cannot crucify Obaseki for not using the method of Oshomole everybody get your own idea abi no be so fine we have been in government for the past 8 years
8 years plus
okay 8 years plus anyone he feel say he go fit pick when he go help am help the people of Edo State he fit pick am no be say he go just copy as that person copy him name copy the number of the person wey dey front we should use sense na.
Alright, this program e get part 2 so by next week we go continue to the part 2.
we dey here.
I for like to say my own last word.
Okay, see no you talk your last word.
You see I like wetin
1
my
minute.
I like wetin my papa talk now say he no talk say Obaseki start for primary 1 and you know for government e dey funny o everybody our people na dey watch us I dey surprised for all these things wey I dey hear why because you see if una come dey tell us now say e no go fit copy everything wey dem dey do before e mean say some things wey dem do before no right so now not be say tomorrow no Akpololo you dey laugh because one day Obaseki 4 years or 8 years e go complete dem go still come again tell us say no be everything wey Obaseki do na correct so abeg una wey dey close to am wey be the party leaders make una try because this country now e don rest on all this our papa for now before e go reach our turn make dem try maybe say the mistake wey dem make before make e no dey continue because if you dey tell me now say because from my understanding before now be say the former government was Jesus Christ physically present so I come surprise now say there was even no miracle from the statement wey we dey hear the only miracle that was present na say salary was regular so my people
Alright,
make una help us
my last one
Yes, sir. Okay. That's your last word.
Akpololo thank you for this program I'm sure before my friend talk say him be APC you say you be APC
in the past
in the past
Yes.
you are not APC now
no
I'm sure you are a PDP person
yes sir
because if you are not a PDP person you should understand simple illustration very simple illustration you said Obaseki can consolidate on the past achievement of Oshomole you understand that does not mean Obaseki should not bring his own innovation I'm surprised these people are not happy he's one of those people that are not happy with Obaseki you see when somebody is doing good what Obaseki is doing across the length and breadth of this state the blind man can see it the deaf can talk it the deaf can hear it you are still saying Obaseki is not trying anybody challenging Obaseki is challenging so. God.
Alright, my people for us time no dey we don dey waste I say spend time well for this discussion but this discussion e dey trend e just dey come up part 2 go dey part 3 go dey many people come talk for this matter but I wan just learn I know say anything wey dey talk na their personal opinion this one and my brother.
This is ITV. Certainly the best.